It was a must.
Murray again, the inbounder. Crowd wanted a foul against Jokic. He'll shoot the three, misses. Fight for the rebound. Edwards clears. And they can ice this game at the free throw line.
And right there, it looked like Jokic
He could have a foul to give, I beg your pardon. So side out of bounds for Minnesota.
Jokic pushed a little bit. Gobert fell back, but he can't fall back in that situation. You have to be strong. Jokic almost knocked down that three-pointer. Can't try to bait the officials into making that call. Little physicality right there.
Grant, just think of everything that this Minnesota team has been through over the last week plus. The Gobert suspension,